So children, see, yesterday I have explained you about the degrees of correlation. So you open your book, page number 368, you see this table. In this table you can see perfect positive correlation when you will get plus 1. Okay, perfect negative correlation when you get -1. Now high degree correlation, it is called high degree correlation. Okay, high degree positive correlation when you get close to +1. Okay, means between 0.75 and +1 you will get, then you will get high degree positive correlation. Okay, and when you get close to -1, that is between -0.75 and -1, if you will get, then you will get high degree negative correlation. Is it clear? Then moderate correlation when you will get neither too high nor too low but positive between 0.25 and 0.75, but it will be moderate negative correlation when it will be between 0.25 minus 0.25 to minus 0.75. Low degree when it will range between 0 and 0.25. Low degree negative correlation when it will range between 0 and minus 0.25. So this table you people have to study, all of you. This table is very important. This table shows degrees of correlation. This table shows. So you all have to study this table. Okay. Now after this you need to know about methods of correlation. Under methods of correlation, you have first method as scatter diagram, which is given in your book. Second method as Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Third method as Spearman's rank correlation. So this chart is very important. The following chart, this chart is very important, which shows the methods of correlation in your book. So you people have to go through this chart. Okay, so you people have to make this. Now today we are going to start with the scatter diagram. So before that you will make the notes. So what is scatter diagram? This I will explain you in my next video, but this much you people have to write. From here till here you will write under the meaning. Is it clear? Then after this, after writing this, you people will have to come to this part. Like we can show various degrees of correlation between two variables with the use of scatter diagram. So first one will be perfectly positive correlation, the meaning and the diagram. Second is the perfect negative correlation, meaning and the diagram. Third is the positive correlation, meaning and the diagram. All right, and then you have a this negative correlation, meaning and the diagram, and no correlation, meaning and the diagram. This much you people have to write in your copy. All right, this much you people have to write in your copy. Whatever I have shown you people today, these all you people have to write in your copy. Is it clear to all of you? And these things you people will write in your copy, and then I am going to explain you now what is scatter diagram. You see once in your this book, what you people have seen, what is scatter diagram mentioned in the book is the simplest method of studying the relationship between two diagrams is the scatter diagram. Main meaning is this: scatter diagram is a graph expression of degree and direction of correlation. Okay, and then in this method what we do, the given data are plotted on a graph paper in the form of dots. Only we put the dots, we don't join the dots in case of the scatter diagram. This you people have to remember. Okay, so this is your scatter diagram. Now with the help of scatter diagram we can show various degrees of correlation. Like you see this one which I have told you people, that we can show various degrees of correlation between the two variables with the use of scatter diagram. First is perfectly positive correlation. What is perfectly positive correlation? If all the points, means all the dots, lie on a straight line rising from lower left hand corner to the upper right hand corner. This diagram you see, lower left hand corner it is starting to the upper right hand corner. If the dots are moving, then we call it perfect positive correlation. What is perfect negative correlation? When the dots are moving from upper left hand corner to the lower right hand corner, then we call it perfect negative correlation. Is it clear? And that is in a straight line. Positive correlation when the dots will move from lower left hand corner to the upper right hand corner, but not necessarily in a straight line. It may be just moving. Okay, then it is called positive correlation. What is negative correlation? When the dots will move from upper left hand corner to the lower right hand corner, not necessarily in a straight line, then we call it negative correlation. When there will be no correlation, when the dots will not show any direction, you see the dots, it is just jumbled up at one point. So means here the dots do not show any direction. So we can call it no correlation. So your today's work is, you will complete this much work which I have told you people in the book in your copy. Then I'm going to start with the numericals tomorrow. Okay children, for today only this much. Thank you.